Hey y'all, today I'll be reviewing and installing this middle part highlight wig from UNice Hair, a hair store on Amazon. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a return subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be unboxing and installing another Amazon wig. You know, like, let me tell y'all, this was supposed to be like a makeover, like vlog type like thing, but things weren't working out right, so we're just gonna go ahead and get into this wig. So the wig that I have today is the UNice Ombré Highlight Silk Base Fake Scalp T-Part Lace Human Hair Wigs Wig Middle Part Brazilian Remy Hair Brown Mixed Blonde Straight Human Hair Wig Pre-Plucked for Women, 150% density, 18-inch, and it is the 18-inch ombre highlight color, and it was $125.99. They have a 5% coupon going on right now if you catch it. So I'll be putting more hair information and the link all in my description box below if you're interested. So it came in the Amazon packaging, and then it came in this box. Alright, so it came with the wig. I think this is like a headband, a wig cap, and the company card. And it also has a 10% coupon on the back. I'll go ahead and put some more hair information and the link to purchase in the description box below. Go ahead and get into this wig. So the hair smells really good. It smells like shampoo or something. Go ahead and take this net off. Okay, put this paper up. Okay. Yeah, it smells good. So it is a closure wig. I don't know, did I mention that? It's a closure wig. And it has a little fake scalp thing going on right here. It's the parting area. And then on the inside of the wig, oops. On the inside of the wig, there is 2 clips right here. And there's 1 clip right here in the back with adjustable straps. It has a little piece of lace right here, but it's tracked. Like, and in the part, it has knots right here for the part, like for a middle part, and then the rest of these are like tiny little tracks, so you can't see them with like how it's placed or whatever. But I like this so far. This hair is really soft. I'm gonna go ahead and take this wig off and put this wig on and see what it's looking like. I don't think I'm gonna need a cap because it has like a little fake scalp thing going on. And yeah, if you like this wig, I'll put the link to this wig in my description box, the video that I posted. If you want to see that, go ahead and click it. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. I thought it had like a little wave, but it was just bent from the packaging. I really love this color. I really love this color. So let me just get into some more hair details while I like get into this color. And this is 100% human hair. They call it the lace wig with highlights. It has a silk base, a fake scalp. It's 150% density. I could believe that. It's pretty full. On the cap size, it says it's normal cap size, and that's 22.5 inches circumference. It fits very comfortably. Like, I still got space. Didn't tighten up the adjustable straps at all. So I would say it's big head friendly. I'm getting like a couple of strands of shedding. Now I'm going to go ahead and install this wig, and I'm not going to be using any glue. Let's get into the styling. Hello. Hey.
Don't you look cute? That's a new wig?
Yeah. Say hi to YouTube.
You put me on YouTube? That looks cute.
Thank you.
Make sure you edit what I just said out too.
Yeah, I'm gonna edit it.
Talk to you later.
Alright, so I took the lace off and okay. I've never installed a wig this easy. Like a human hair wig? I don't know. Like I don't know. Let me style it, I guess. Go ahead and ooh, that is cute. Let's get into this color real quick. It's the highlights for me, sis. So I got my oh my gosh, that is so annoying. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, the wig ended up being straight. I like it better straight anyway, so I want to give a big shout out to UNice Hair for sending me this bomb wig. This has been like the most simplest install I've ever had for a human hair wig. Like this cute. Besides me curling the whole thing and then taking it off to curl it and then still ending up straight, this is a really cute wig. And I just love this color blend. A big shout out to UNice Hair, and I'm gonna give a big shout out to you for supporting Stylist by Honey. I love you so much.